If you own a Gbody and you've been wanting to put some 6x9s in it, but you just don't like the adapters that are available, I might have the solution for you. Stay tuned. So what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna try to take this old one out. I already put these together. This is the adapter that I'm talking about. Check this adapter out. It has, just like the old one, how it goes in, and then you put the other side as a wire. Well, this actually is cut out and has it put in there. So let me show you, see? That's pretty neat. So I'm curious to see if this holds it a lot tighter than the other ones that I've seen. Got some kickers. I already installed them with the 4 screws that came with the speakers. I just put them in there, centered it up. Let's try to take this other one off. All right, so this old one, we're gonna try to take it off. And see, this just latches here. So you just take that off and this comes out. This is what I was talking about, that these adapters actually have this same entrance and this part too. So I'm excited to see if it really works. Let's check it out. Let me take this apart. Well, now that we removed it, I'm gonna compare this one so you can see the new one. So see, they have these two just like this, so there's the same. And this side, this curves up and across, so you can hang it on that thing. This one's just straight. So off camera, I just try to put it in there to see what it looked like. And this looks like, if it had a little bit up and across something, it'd be a lot easier to just hang in there. But I'm gonna see if I'm gonna force it a little bit into it, see if I can do that. Okay, see, this side is what I'm talking about, right here. I don't know if I can see, I can bend it, but it's not really getting there. Uh-oh. See, I like the design. Just gotta see about what I need to do here, so that I don't want to really open this one up too much, but I might have to open it up a little bit. We'll see. All right, I'll be back with you in a sec. Okay, so what I want to show you, see, that's how it goes in, just like the old plate. And then what I did with the screwdriver, I pulled this down just a little bit, this lip. I put it on there and then I pushed it back up, and then look how solid it is. Look, solid, no play. That is awesome. Now, I've owned this Gbody for 30 plus years. And in all them years, I always wanted to put 6x9s because these aren't very good. Look at that. These aren't very good. They're not powerful at all. They sound crappy. I always wanted 6x9s, but the adapters that they sell, they have a wire. It's basically like this, but it's a wire that goes in here. Then it's a wire that wraps around the 6x9, and then you put it over here. A lot of people have installed them, and the speaker just moves everywhere. I didn't ever want that. I didn't want to do that. So I waited, and I always periodically look up, see if there was anything new. Now, this one here is a new one. Well, I do want to say that I really like this product, and I've been waiting for something that's similar to this. I didn't like the wire, the little hanger that holds the speaker. Now, one of the guys, Tulu, if you're watching, I watched this video just yesterday. He did some adapters. He says it held up good on him, and he did the hanger. So to some people, it might work pretty good. I haven't seen it work very well. This one works good. Like I said, and that's pretty solid. I'm impressed with that. That's some pretty good stuff. Looks good. Now, I would like to give a shout out before I forget. I do have it written down here, or actually on my phone, but the designer of this adapter is Kelsey. So it's Kelsey at KSM Design and _ 1697564. I will put that on the screen so you know who the designer was. Did a good job in my opinion. Now, one thing I'll put in the description, I'll put the website that you could go. If you have a 3D printer, you can get this file for free. Now, most people don't have that. I reached out to the Lucky Printer Company. That's who I found on eBay. And this company is the ones that printed these, cut them, got it all done for me, shipped them to me. Now, if you like this and you buy some, let them know that Cutlass Vibes sent you that way. I don't get anything out of it. What I got was a free set of adapters to try out. But it'd be nice for him to know that some of those buys are from this channel. That way he just knows where they come from. And I appreciate him for doing this for us. Now, like I said, if you want the file, you can get it for free. If you have a way to print them and cut these out and have that kind of thing, you can do that. If not, reach out to this guy on eBay. He'll hook you up. Another thing, if it's something different, you know, he did let me know if any of the viewers have a 3D print file that they need printed and they don't have a way to do it, reach out to him. He said he'll print it, ship it, everything to you. So that's a good thing. Look at that. I'm pretty impressed, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm impressed. I like this better than all the other adapters that I've seen. And let me get the other side, see how it goes. Well, there it is, guys. Now this comes with it too, is a little spacer. Fits perfectly between us, so there's no play. It's perfect. Comes taped. And the same thing, I just pulled this down a little bit, opened it up a little bit, clipped it over and pushed it back up a bit, and then look, it's on there. It's good. Wow. Well, when I was comparing them, I guess I said it might have been better if it had that little up and across here. Maybe not. All I did was opened it up a little bit, put that straight one in there, pushed it up, and it's tight. So the design is good. I'm impressed. There we go. So I do want to say thanks for sending that out to me. I like them. I'm going to rock them, hook them up later on, amplify it. I'm thinking about a new stereo deck because this stuff that I have is really, really old. But I appreciate it. Guys, go out and support these companies. If you got a Gbody, highly recommend it. I wasn't sure at first. I looked at it, said it looks good. You got to have them on and make sure that your speaker's not going everywhere. And this is not. I like that. So go check them out on eBay. Check them out. Look these up. And just let them know about Cutlass Vibes. They sent you. I'm getting nothing out of it other than this free pair that I got here. Just so he knows that you guys are supporting him through the channel. It's just nice to help someone when you can. Appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.